guys, welcome back. It is Tootie. So I want to show you guys my new little toy that I got. Okay, so I got this food dehydrator. Yeah, I got this food dehydrator off Amazon a few weeks, maybe about a month or two ago, something like that. I've used it I've tried it with jerky. Jerky came out not too bad. I'm still learning jerky. Because the instructions that actually came with this said when you do the jerky, you can do it between 4 and 7 hours. So I'm still trying to figure out how to know when it's exactly done. I don't want it too dry. I like a chewy one. So I'm still working on jerky, but today I'm dehydrating some fruit. I'm going to practice dehydrating fruit. I've never dehydrated really anything before, and I just decided, you know what, let's try some oranges. I saw some videos of people dehydrating the orange slices and adding them to chocolate and things like that. So I saw some people leave the skin on and I saw some people leave the skin off. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna like to eat the skin. So we're gonna do we're just doing some testing right now. We're gonna do one orange with the skin on, one with the skin off. And I figured I'd do a few apples, see how those taste. I've never really eaten any dehydrated food before, but I mainly bought this for jerky. Because I want to make a bunch of jerky and like slowly stock up on having jerky in the house. So once I master it and get good at it, I'm going to be making a lot of jerky for the future. But anyway, I have an old banana. I'm not sure if I should do this banana or not. I'm thinking I just might go ahead and try it and see where it goes. But I'm going to be definitely doing the oranges and the apples. I'm going to take this off. So I'm going to get these sliced up, and then I guess we'll get right into it. Into the dehydrator. Yeah, just gonna go ahead. I don't know if this is gonna change the flavor of any of these things, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, so I've got all these on one tray, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That'll be nice. If I can take these out, because we're not gonna have to wash that other one. But yeah. So we've got 3 trays of fruit that we're gonna put in here, and I gotta see how long we're gonna go for. So on this dehydrator, it has a latch, so we're just gonna go ahead and put that on. Let's see, so like so, and the fan's in the back, so you can't leave it like this against the wall. So I'm gonna put it this way so it's kind of towards my sink or whatever. And what I read on Google was for dehydrated fruit, 6 hours. So I'm gonna set it to 6. It could go up to 30 hours, but I'm gonna start with 6 because this is a 600 watt. So I figured 6 might be okay. We'll check it in 6 hours. And it said, what did it say? I think it said 113. So I'm gonna just kind of, I'll check it for sure, but I believe it was 113. So 110-ish, a little bit over that. I think I'm gonna leave it at that and cut it on. And this dehydrator is extremely quiet. Like, oh wait, I need to plug it in. You can see the light is on and you can slightly hear the fan. Slightly. So quiet. I know a lot of people say their dehydrators are pretty loud and they sometimes go ahead and put it in the garage, but this dehydrator is very quiet. So I'll get back to you guys in about 6 hours, show you the results. So we've got 3 trays here with some fruit, and yeah, we'll let you know how it worked out. Hey guys, so it's been 6 hours and this is what we're looking at. I think I had around 115-ish, something like that. So these are the apples. This is what they're looking like. I think next time I'm gonna leave the slices whole so they're nice and round. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be crunchy. I think they are supposed to be crunchy, so I think I'm definitely gonna leave. I think I cut them possibly too thick, so that's why they're still not ready. So yeah, it's been 6 hours. These are some bananas, some of the bananas we did. This looks like a thinner one, but it's still, you know, I'm not sure exactly. This is an orange. The rind is really dehydrated out, but the center is, I'm not exactly sure how the center is gonna look, but this is the one. It still feels quite juicy on that one. And this one, ooh, almost dropped. This one feels slightly ready though. So this one's pretty thin. So I think I'm definitely gonna have to make it nice and thin next time. Still not a snap sound, but I'll just go ahead and leave that one in there. But getting there. And this is our other tray of oranges. Still, it's drying, the rinds are, but the flesh is still, needs some time. So I went ahead and cut it up to 120 and I put it on for another 6 hours. So we'll see if this is ready between another 6 hours. I'm not sure. Like I said, this is my first time doing it. So if you have any tips or anything for me, let me know. Hey guys, okay, so this is my finished result for my dehydrated fruit. I really did not keep track of the time that good. I started it yesterday in the afternoon sometime, cut it off around 10 at night, and then I cut it back on at about 7:30 this morning because it was still kind of soft. I showed you guys that. I set it to about 6 or 7 hours, possibly 8. I can't remember anymore, but it went all that time and then it shut off and it's been sitting. I didn't even realize it shut off. This dehydrator is so quiet. So I didn't realize it, but everything looks pretty good. Like everything is pretty hard. I wasn't sure if the bananas were supposed to be a lot harder or snappy, but I just decided to go ahead and take them out and just leave it how it is. These ones, there's a slight snap, so it's not much, but I'll let it sit out for a little bit and then hopefully it'll get more better. My kids did try some of the orange. They didn't like it at all. But I figured if we're gonna do some chocolate bars, so I figured we can add these into the chocolate bar and try it with the chocolate and see if it's better. Also with these, I wasn't sure if we were gonna like to eat the rind. The rind was still bitter, so I wasn't sure, you know, how you guys do that. But it was still a little bit bitter for us, but we are going to put it in the chocolate and maybe we'll see how it looks. Because I saw some fruit chocolate bars. We're going to do some homemade of those. And I saw them use the orange with the rind. That's why I wanted to go ahead and try it. And it looked really cool. So anyway, you guys, this is my first time dehydrating fruit. I did all these at the same time. They probably took about I would say at least 24 hours, something like that. I would call it 24 hours for sure. Yeah, so next time I'll definitely add more. I guess depending on how much we like it. I'm gonna do pineapple, mango, and strawberries next time. So I'm excited about that. But anyway, this is just a test, little experiment. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. If you have any tips for me, let me know. Comment down below any tips that I could do. This is a dehydrator that I have. Excuse this. This is one I have. I ordered this off Amazon. It's a 600 watt. It has 6 racks. So if you have this dehydrator, got any tips for me, let me know. But it does work. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.